Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error. Check the readme for possible solutions. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Select Device Manager or search for Device Manager more appropriately, and go ahead and open that up. Expand the display adapter section by double clicking on it, and then whatever display adapter is listed under here, go ahead and right click on it, select update driver, and then select where it says browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select whichever one appears to be more applicable, preferably a non-generic basic driver. So if there's a more specific one for the manufacturer, I'd recommend going with it, and then select next, and then restart the computer and see if that resolves the problem. Another thing you can try here would be to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in DXDIAG. Best result, you're going back with DXDIAG. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Select Yes. And then you want to select Next Page. Select Next Page, and you can exit out of here, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.